Hello, today I am with OPPO wireless speaker and I want to show you how you can set time on the speaker. So all you have to do, simply click and hold these two buttons, the power button and play and pause button, for 2 seconds. Let's make it right now. Click and hold and take a look on this hours and the minutes. Once the hours is blinking, it means that we successfully enter the time settings. So to change the time, we have to use plus and minus buttons. Take a look. So we can go, for example, for 4 p.m. To confirm the hour, you have to tap on the power button once, and then it will switch to the minutes. So the same. To change the minutes, you have to use the minus and the plus button. To confirm, just click here one more time. And there it is. As you can see, we successfully changed the time on this device. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.